So, hello, my future self. How is it going? I hope it's going good as my mentality and personality and my thoughts are changing. I believe that you are happy as always and try to make others happy, talk everyone with respect. Because for now, it has been like a daily thing that I have been heard that I am not talking to everyone with respect. So, I hope you have figured that out well to talk everyone with respect, treat everyone with love and courtesy. I hope you have figured it out because I am trying to take a step towards this direction from this very moment onwards. So yeah, now coming to I had this one. So I was just wondering about what should I do to record it to make it more good for you to see whenever you are seeing it. So when I just googled Gemini and all of this, it gave me a certain list of points which I should keep in mind while recording it and try to answer those. And yeah, so just now I'll be finding that document and just talking to you in that same way. So where is it? Just wait, man. This is one of the reasons I like Android more. I don't know about you, but for now I just love Android for this very same reasons. Like I can just open a floating window and I can, and yeah, one more thing, I can just turn on and off the YouTube torch. I mean the video light, flashlight, whenever I want to. Yeah, here is that. And also the multitasking is insane, man. It's insane. Okay, I guess I would do have to change its rotation to. Where is auto rotation? Actually, auto rotation. Yeah. Okay. So now I guess I would have to look at like this to read whatsoever is written. But never mind. Wait, what if I just close it and open it again? Okay, I've closed it. Where is the notes app? Oh man, where did it go? I hope my phone is charged. Yeah, it's 88%. And man, from last few days, I have noticed that my phone is always discharged. Always. I don't know why. From now onwards, I'll just try to keep my phone plugged in whenever I find time. So now, I think I should just wear my glasses. Because the prime reason I removed these because I wanted to talk to you as I am without any kind of jewelry and all of that stuff. But I guess I don't have to be that much formal while talking to you. So yeah, let me just wear it. And oh, I'm not able to see myself. I messed up a bit, and by mistake I closed the camera app itself, so the recording stopped. Never mind, I'll just merge those videos. Yeah, coming to the notes app again. Okay, now first thing, the core one word emotion that I felt today. So, in one word, if I would have to describe how I felt today, uh, I would I would name it Maggie. I mean, I know that's not a word for any emotion, but I think I felt like Maggie because I know it's not good for me, but still I like it. So yeah, today's day was kind of not that good for me actually because I was not able to cover most of my targets, but still it was a good day actually. Yeah, now coming to the next word, energy levels right now. So physically I am very exhausted and not mentally because I haven't done any mental work till now. I have played till now games, read a book, and yeah, Crime and Punishment is almost finished. Only two chapters are remaining, 38 and 39. After which, that's that's gonna be finished too. Yeah, and I haven't done any creative work yet. I know you would have done that. Definitely, you would have done that. And if you would have done it, and if you have done it, it means I have to do it. So yeah. Hmm. energy levels, how I'm feeling right now. So physically I'm exhausted, but mentally I still think I have enough energy to study, at least to revise DSA, to solve at least one or two questions, and to write any of those creative stories which I have in my mind right now. So yeah, I think I have enough energy levels for now. Okay. What is taking up 80% of my thoughts today? So if I were to say 80% of my thought today, what is taking 80% of my thoughts today? Hmm. I think it would probably be DSA, because DSA is the only thing that takes up my mind for so long. Because when I'm doing it, when I'm not doing it, it is just on my mind every time. And till now I have solved 55 questions, and I hope that by the end of my semester break I would have hopefully I just request to myself to solve at least 100 questions, so when I reach college I would have had enough base for revision and at least enough scope to complete at least 150 or 200 questions by the end of my second year. So I would have a better understanding and knowledge of data structures and an algorithm which would help me get into my dream company. Although I don't have a certain or a specific dream company in which I want to end up to, but definitely there are some companies like Microsoft and Google which I really like, and I really like their work-life balances. The prime reason is because I think they are the companies that would genuinely support my hobbies like book reading, story writing. If I have any idea to implement an app to start a startup, Google will fund me, Microsoft will fund me itself. So yeah, and also the prime reason is there is no hierarchy, so there's gonna be no one who's gonna tell me to do my stuff or anything like that, or who would try to, or anyone who would try to feel me inferior, make me feel inferior or anything like that. So yeah, prime reason is this. Okay. So what did you learn about yourself or life today? So yeah, one thing that I learned about myself today is that I have changed very much now. Uh, from the last 2 or 3 years, whatsoever has happened to me has changed me a lot, literally a lot. Like, if I were to say, like, baby, when you passed class 10th, you were a happy child. You were really happy. You did not worry about anything. You used to spread love. I mean, from outside you still look like this, but there is a continuous storm going on in your head, and which is very dreadful. Your thoughts are changing, and you used to say to yourself that you are a bad person, and now you have actually become one. So I would highly advise you to nourish your inner child that is still within in you, that innocence that is somewhere burned, that is somewhere buried deep inside you. So I just want you to keep that alive, to keep that fire in you, to be innocent, to be creative, to learn. Yeah. And yeah, one more thing I learned about life today. It's very unfortunate for me to say this, but just when I was about to come from my gym, when I reached home, I heard from my sister. Like, my sister called me when I was on my way back to gym, and she just verified whether I was alive or not. Yeah, it sounds something very alarming, but she genuinely verified whether I was alive or not, because there was an accident just right in front of our house today, and the guy could not survive. It was very lethal accident, and I would not try to describe how it happened. And I would not like to describe how it happened, because its prime reason is I don't want you to remember how it happened, and I just want you to forget it. Yeah. Now, coming to the next thing. So no, not next time. I mean, what did I learn from it? That life is very uncertain. You never know. Thing I learned from it that life is very uncertain and you never know what's gonna happen to you. So yeah, make every day count. Treat everyone with respect. Don't show anyone your ego. Don't show your attitude. Treat everyone with kindness and respect. Yeah. Now, okay. So like another today, like I said, my day was like Maggie because I loved it, but I know it was not good for me. So the prime reason I loved it was today I spent a really good time with my sister. We played a game called It Takes Two, and man, it was really frustrating yet cute and yet very loving thing for me to play that game with her because she was not good at it, and I had to shout on her again and again, to which she had to reply again and again, and it was really great to play the game with her. Yeah, it was really a good memory and good time. Yeah. Now coming to a song, the weather, or glance that shifted my mood. So I don't know, from past 2 or 3 days or 4 days or probably a week, there is this one song that I have been continuously listening to on repeat. That is Brown Knife by Dhanda Neonwalia. I guess that's his name. And I don't know. I don't even know the name. It's Brown Knives or Dark Knives. I don't know, but it's something like that for sure. And I have been listening to that for some time now on repeat. Yeah. And one song that shifted my mood today, it would definitely be. What that song would be actually? I would say that song would be one by Metallica. Oh, just leave it. Because for the reason I listen to Metallica each and every day, and even every hour I'm just listening to Metallica. It's very probably a really high chance that you just come up to me, take off my earphones, and just you take off my headphones only to discover that I was listening to Metallica again. So yeah, I won't even say Metallica was the reason that changed my mood or something like that, because I have been always listening to it. So yeah, if one song I were to say that changed my mood is this song called Who Is She? It's something like Who is she? Return to me. It's something like this, and yeah, that just changed my mood, and it has been quite some time now that I have been listening to that song again and again, because it is, I think, just some psychologically triggering for me. And I don't know, there is just someone watching me, just filming all of this. Leave it, I do not actually care, whosoever it is. And is there anything else? Mm, yeah, I think I made sure these points speak directly to your future self. Like an old friend, I've done this. Embrace pauses and silence to show raw emotion. Yeah, I've done that too. Use metaphors when exact words fail. I don't think I've used metaphors, but I don't think I would have to. I think I've expressed whatsoever I've faced today. One more thing that I wanted to change is that I want to fix a proper sleep schedule for me, which has been quite difficult and challenging for me for quite some time now. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Only thing to say to you now is bye. One more thing I just wanted to say while I was filming this video, it's almost, I don't know whether the time is visible or not. I hope it is, but if it's not, let me just tell you. Okay, let me just see it. It's 4:15 right now in the morning, and there was someone just standing at the next rooftop near to me and just watching me make this all of this video for, I guess, past 5 minutes or so. And I don't know, that guy probably would think that I was talking to someone or anything like that. So there is definitely gonna be rumors about it. And yeah, I actually do not care what they say about me or not, because I know I won't be here long to hear all of their rumors and all of the stuff they talk about me. Yeah, one more thing, that a little thing that I just wanted to add up to.